Welcome to Gig Harbor. Gig Harbor was settled in 1846. Gig Harbor was settled by Samuel Jaroszich, who was a Croatian fisherman. Gig Harbor is the only city in the world named Gig Harbor. A gig is a small boat that comes from a larger boat at the mouth of the harbor. Gig Harbor was originally a Native American settlement, then became a fishing town, and in 1888, Skansie Shipbuilding brought in the shipbuilding process to the town, where we became shipbuilders. And at the same time, the logging community started and boomed. When you come to the town, please make sure to see the Harbor History Museum. We look forward to seeing you. Currently here at the History Museum, we're working on restoring a boat called the Shenandoah. The Shenandoah is beautiful. The Shenandoah was built in 1925. We hope to have it up and going by a century. Completely restored
and conserved by its centennial birthday, 2025.
The volunteers in the shipwright, Riley, work hard day after day to restore and procure the ship for its nesting right there in the Harbor History Museum and exhibit gallery. The Harbor History Museum has many fun treasures to find and to come upon. We learn all kinds of things about the area, inhabitants, and how they got by day to day. We had a lot of fun making this whole day and trip for you. Please come see us in the Gig Harbor History Museum, Gig Harbor, Washington. One of the ferry docks in Gig Harbor was done in Sunrise Beach, which is the Muller family's residence, some of the founders of Gig Harbor. Gig Harbor is located just across the narrow strait, across from Tacoma.
The Tacoma Narrows Bridge opened July 7th, 1940, and only 4 months later, on November 7th, 1940, collapsed due to 40-mile-an-hour winds. In addition to poor engineering, it literally galloped in the wind. Its twisted remains can be seen at the Harbor History Museum. Come check it out.